This video tutorial I will explain internationalizing date time. The format of date and time differ from one region to another region. That is the reason we have to internationalize the date and time. In case of US, we have to display the date and time in this format. In case of China, we have to display the date and time in this format. In case of France, we have to display the date and time in this format. We can internationalize the date and time by using the getDateTime instance method of DateFormat class. We will see how to do that. Here I have defined a class Internationalization DateTime demo, and it has a display DateTime method which accept locale. This method is responsible for format the date and time based on the given locale. In this method, I am calling getDateTime instance method of DateFormat class and passing date style, time style, and the locale. This method returns DateFormat object. Then I am calling format method of DateFormat object and passing the date. And this method returns formatted DateTime string, and that I am displaying here. First I am passing US locale. Then I am passing China locale. Then I am passing France locale. Here you can see the outputs. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.